Taiking has already been using automatic pulse laser welding technology in place of manual welding. For pulse laser welding process, with wider width, low pulse frequency and higher peak power, it's used to make two titanium parts welded together. It's very important to make all welding parts with good machining precision before being welded, in order to make sure all weld parts with beautiful outlook after being welded. For example, by using pulse laser welding to weld a spout to the body of titanium cooking kettle, it shows very beautiful outlook and perfect welding line.